Okay, so for this EP2, I'm going to talk about the rational numbers in case of what we call recurring decimals, or another word for recurring decimal is repeating decimal. What is it? Let's see the example first. First, example 12 it said convert is mean change หรือเปลี่ยนนะคะ the following fractions into decimal ก็คือเปลี่ยนเศษส่วนให้เป็นทศนิยมซึ่งตามหลักการเนี่ยเราก็ใช้เรื่องของการหารนะคะ for example can you change 4 over 9 into a decimal 4 over 9 what to do yes you just take 4 divided by 9 right 4 cannot divide by 9 so you put 0 put dot add 0 after 4 so it's become 40 divided by 9 is 4 times 4 is 36 right write down 36 below 40 minus this going to be 4 then again 4 cannot divide by 9 you add another 0 then you do the same and then you take 4 times 9 36 40 minus 36 is 4 you continue like this right so what you will get 0.444444444 over 4 so we use 3 dot after this to represent 4444 repeat number 4 so we equal in the other way we can represent it as 0.4 and make a line on top of 4 like this. This means repeat the decimal with number 4. Question number 2, 2 over 3. What will we get? Yes, 0.6666. So we can write down it as 0.6 and make a bar on top of number 6. Number 3, 50 divided by 33. If you divide 50 by 33, you're going to get like this 5151 515151 like this. Continue 515151 and you have 3 dots. In the other form of 1.5151, you just make the bar on top of 5 and 1 like this. But in Thai book, it can represent by 4, 0.4 with the dot on top like this. 0.6 is mean repeat 6, and this one 1.51 and you have the dot on top of 1, 5 and 1. It means repeat 515151. Okay? Writing recurring decimal. So what to write it? 0.222 you can have is in the other form 0.2 with the bar on top of 2, and you can say 0.2 with the dot on top. What about 0.377? Repeat 7, but it's not repeat number 3, so you just take the bar on top of 7 like this, or 0.37 dot on top like this. This one means repeat 7. 0.242424 repeat 242424, right? So you can write it as 0.24 with the bar on top of 2 and 4 like this, and you can have 0.24 with the dot on top of 2 and 4. 1.565656 repeat 56, so you have 1.56 and the bar on top of it, and this one going to be 1.56. 345 345 345 0.345 0.345, so it's going to 3, 4, 5 with the bar all long like this, or 0.345. You can have the dot only on top of 3 and 5. It means repeat 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. What about this one? 12.6745. 6745. You can look at the pattern. 6745, 6745. It means that it repeats 6745. So you need to have a bar on top of the whole decimal 6745. And then this going to be 12.6745 with the dot on top of 6 and on top of 5 only. It means the decimal repeat 6745, 6745. Now we will changing recurring decimal into fraction. What to do? How to change? How to เปลี่ยนนะคะทศนิยมซ้ำ recurring decimal into fraction ให้เป็นเศษส่วน Write 0.2 bar on top to a fractional form. What does it mean? First, the solution. What to do? First, we let n, the letter n stand for 0.2 prime on top. It means that n equal 0.2222222. Continue, repeat number 2, right? Then we give this line as equation number 1. Then we multiply. I think something lost here. This one I have to write. Sorry, nah. Okay, this one we need to take, right, number 1 multiply by 10. So what you will get, n times 10, you get 10n. 0.22222 repeat 2 multiply by 10, you will get 2.22222. And now you can notice that this group and this group, they are the same, right? So we take equation number 2. Let this one stand for equation number 2. And then you take equation, if you take equation number 2 minus equation number 1, you will get the left hand side with 2 of them. So you have 10n minus n in the left hand side equal to, in the right hand side, 2.2222 minus 0.222. That means these are, they cancel all along, right? Actually it should be say cancel, it have to be disappear. คือก็ต้องหายไปเนาะเพราะว่ามันเหมือนกันนะคะ Then in the left hand side you will have 10n minus n. It means 10 minus 1 is 9. In the left hand side you have 9n left equal to, in the right hand side, number 2, right? So at the final we know that n equal to 2 over 9. Therefore we said that 0.2 repeat 222 always equal to 2 over 9, like this. Next, example number 2. Change 0.7 repeat 7 to a fraction form. First, what to do? We just give the letter n stand for 0.7 repeat 7, so that n equal to 0.777777 and so on. We give this as the equation number 1. And after that, we take equation number 1 multiplied by 10. what we will get? Equation number 1 multiplied by 10. In the left hand side we have n, so n multiplied by 10 is equal to 10n. The same thing, when you do the multiply by 10 in the left hand side, you have to multiply by 10 in the right hand side. So what you will get? 0.777 multiplied by 10, yes. You will get 7.777. Then this one stands for equation number 2. And if you notice, they are the same, right? So what to do? We take equation number 2 minus equation number 1. In the left hand side, we will get 10n minus n, always equal to, when you do this anything with the left hand side, you have to do the same thing with the right hand side, right? So you take the whole part of this minus this one. What we will get? 7.777 minus 0.777. Yes, in the left hand side, what we will have? 9n. In the right hand side, we have number 7 left. So n equal to 7 over 9. So we can say that 0.7 prime on top of it like this. It's not prime, it's the bar. Equal to 7 over 9. ANS. Right? Next, example number 3. 2.7, repeat 7 only, repeat the decimal 7 only. So for what to do first, the same thing, you give the letter n equal to 2.7, repeat 7, then n always equal to 2.7777, right? Given it as the equation number 1. Equation แปลว่าอะไรลูกสมการนะคะ equation number 1. Then we take equation number 1 multiply by 10. So you have n times 10 equal 10n. And the right hand side multiply by 10 too. So you have 27.777, right? And let this become equation number 2. You notice that they are the same, right? The repeat 7. Then equation number 2 minus equation number 1. Left hand side, you have 10n and n. So 10n minus n equal to 27.777 minus 2.777, right? In the left hand side, you have 9n. In the right hand side, what do you have? 27.777. Repeat 7, they're just gone. So you take 27 minus 2 is equal to 25. N equal to 25 over 9. So we said that 2.7 repeat 7 always equal to 25 over 9, like this. Next, example number 4. Transform 3.54, repeat 4 only, to a fractional form. Repeat this only, okay? Because on top of 5 doesn't have any bar or any segment. So we just let n equal to 3.54 bar on top of 4. So mean repeat 4. So n equal to 3.54444444. Then we let this as equation number 1. Now we take equation number 1 multiply by 10 first. So what do we have? N times 10. And this side, the right hand side times 10 too is equal to 3.54444 multiplied by 10, you have 35.4444, right? Let this become equation number 2. Then you take equation number, you minus the repeat 444 and 54444 can or cannot? No, you cannot minus, because if you minus them, the decimal places doesn't gone. So what we have to do, if you notice this, to make the decimal become 444, we have to take 5 and 4 up here, right? To take 5 and 4 to decimal places, so we take equation number 1 multiplied by 100. In the left hand side, we will have 100n equal to, in the right hand side, we will have 354.44444. Let this become equation number 3. Then you take 3 and 2 together. Just take equation number 3 minus equation number 2. Left minus left, left hand side minus left hand side minus left hand side. 100n minus 10n, like this, okay, is equal to right hand side minus right hand side. So we have 354.4444 minus 35.444. Then take 100 minus 100n minus 10n become 90n is always equal to 444 gone. You just take 354 minus 35. Okay, so we will get 319. That means n equal to 319 over 90. Then we answer that the solution 3.54, repeat 4, always equal to 319 divided by 10, 90, or over 90. What about example number 5? I will go quite faster, okay? N is equal to 0.77, so this equals sign, equation number 1. Then you take equation number 1 multiplied by n, but multiplied by 10. So you have 10n and equal to 3.737373, equation number 2. Can they minus? No, they cannot, because they are different, right? 373737 and 737373, they are different. So what to do? You just take equation number 1 again. Instead of multiply by 10, you multiply by 100. Then this become this, and this become 37.373737. Then equation number 3, you just take equation number 3 minus equation number 1, 100n minus n. This equal to 37.373737 minus equation number 1 here, 100n minus n, because we take equation number 3 minus equation number 1. We cannot minus equation number 2 because the decimal are not the same. Actually, so this one you don't need to do it. Then you take 37.3737 minus 0.3737. The tail is gone. Then we take 99n equal to 37. In the other word, n equal to 37 equal to 99. We said that therefore 0.37, repeat 37, always equal to 37 over 99, like this. Next one, 3 decimal places, 3 decimal places. This one, okay, understand, right? Let it as equation number 1. So instead of multiply by 10 multiplied by 100, because 3 decimal places, you can multiply by 1000. We said equation number 1 times 1000. What we have? 1000 equal to 567.567. Let it be equation number 2. And after that, you can see they have the same tail, they have the same decimal places, repeat the decimal places. So we take equation number 2 minus equation number 1. What we have? We have 1000 n minus n is always equal to, in the right hand side, 567.567 minus 0.567567, 999 n, 1000 n minus 1 n equal to 999 n is equal to 567 because the tail or the decimal, repeated decimal are gone. Then we have n equal to 567 over 999, or we can say that 0.567 prime. Actually it's not prime, sorry, the bar, because it repeats 567 is always equal to 567 over 999, like this. So transform the following number into a fraction form. This is your turn. Do them or finish them into your notebook. After you finish this, you need to take a photo of all the whole thing that you write down and post it under your name below the post. Okay, so next time I'm going to answer the solution for you. For today, for this clip, thank you very much for your attention. I hope that I can meet you guys and when the school open. Okay, thank you.